Hey guys, it's Charmaine coming to you with the KUKIHO wireless lavalier mics. And why do I like the KUKIHO wireless lavalier mics? Because for one, you get two microphones in the case that charges. It's a chargeable case. When you plug it in, these four dots will light up in blue to let you know. Everyone wants to know how long does the charge last? Well, it lasts for me. I'll have my microphones on for about 2 weeks before I need to charge it. Tip, take the mics out of the case. Charge the case by itself so that the case is not trying to charge the microphone at the same time. Because when you plop it in, you see the red light comes on, it's charging. Don't do that. It takes about an hour or so once it's plugged in and the case will charge. The other thing I like about it, you notice that this light goes off, the little green light. It comes back on and you hear the difference in the sound. So like I say, I'm in New York. I'll open the window, you'll hear the difference. So that's New York sound. So again, I'll turn this off and listen. You can hear the activities outside. Yellow cab passing by, a truck, all of it. Turn it back on and now you hear the difference. You can't beat it. So to level up your content, these are great.